How to remove or hide edge panel on Samsung. So if you have this edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy phone and I want to hide it or turn it off, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, if you want to hide the edge panel on your Samsung phone or turn it off, is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. Then once you open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device, scroll down, locate display and then click on it. Now once you click on display, scroll down the page. Once you get to edge panel, click on it. Then here you're gonna see the edge panel customization, including the panels and then the handle. Now to turn off the edge panel or hide the edge panel on your Samsung, what you just need to do is go ahead and turn this off. Then once you turn that off, then you discover that the edge panel is no longer available on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to hide or turn off edge panel on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.